There's a serious warning from the International Atomic Energy Agency. The protective shield built to secure Chernobyl disaster site can no longer fully do its job. The IAEA says the new safe confinement, the giant steel arc that covers the ruined reactor, was severely damaged in a drone strike back in February, and it has now lost its primary safety functions, including its ability to fully contain radioactive waste. Ukraine accused Russia of carrying out the strike on February 14th. Moscow has denied it, but the impact was clear. The blast sparked a fire and damaged the protective cladding of the structure. The IAEA is calling for a major renovation of the safety shield, a massive engineering feat that was designed to last a century. Limited repairs have been made to the roof, where the agency says timely, comprehensive restoration is essential to stop further degradation and maintain long-term safety. IAEA Chief Rafael Grossi says there is no permanent damage to the frame or to critical monitoring systems. He added that the agency, which maintains a permanent presence at the site, will continue supporting full restoration efforts. This is not the first time Chernobyl has been drawn back into the conflict. In the early days of the invasion in 2022, Russian troops seized the plant, overran the facility and held the staff for weeks before eventually withdrawing and handing the site back to Ukrainian control. The new safe confinement, built between 2010 and 2019, is the largest movable land structure on Earth. It is a €2.1 billion project funded by more than 45 countries. Its job is to cover the destroyed number 4 reactor and enclose its radioactive remains for the next 100 years. The need for that safety couldn't be more clear. On April 26, 1986, an explosion ripped through Reactor 4, spreading radiation across Ukraine, Belarus, Russia and beyond. More than 30 people were killed in the initial disaster, and decades later, communities nearby continue to suffer from elevated cancer rates, birth defects, and long-term health impacts linked to radiation exposure. Today, nearly 4 decades later, the damage to Chernobyl's modern protective shield is a stark reminder of how fragile nuclear safety can be.